rectangular living and dining area. So this is the living area over here. This is your kitchen area. You can check the space inside the master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we are here at Lodha Meridian project, which is located in Kokatpally, Hyderabad, a project by Lodha Group. And today we are here to check out that 3 BHK sample flat. But before that, let's check out the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, I'm standing just in the front of the main gate of this project. So this is the project. And this project is ready to move in property. Now let's check out the neighborhood of the project. So this is the road touch project. And over this side, this road is the Kokatpally road. Now let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers. While in Housey, we connect you directly with builders because the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located on KPHB Main Road, Kokatpally, Hyderabad. And now let me show you the location. So this is the Kokatpally Road and this connects to the KPHB Main Road. So over this side will connect you towards the High-Tech City and on the right side it will connect you towards the JNTU Main Road. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project is being constructed on total 4.5 acres of land parcel with total 5 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 34 floors with 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities like a swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, sitting area, garden area and many more. And one more point, that as mentioned, this project is ready to move in property, so you can just complete your booking and shift into your dream home. Now let's check your sample flat. So now this is your 3 BHK of 2259 square feet super built up area. Let's check. So this is your main entrance, and once you enter, you can check your rectangular living and dining area. So this is the living area over here. And now just behind the living area, they have made a dining area. So this space will be your dining area. The reason, because kitchen they have provided over this side, so it will be easily accessible. And now over here, they have provided one balcony. So now over here comes your balcony. So this is your balcony. So this balcony will be 3 side covered. Additionally, they have provided iron railing with anti-skid tiles in balcony area. Now let's check your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. You can check the interior work that builder has done for your reference, and with the parallel fitting granite platforms, and with the kitchen they have provided with a dry balcony. So here comes the dry balcony, again with anti-skid tiles and half wall. And the plus point, in kitchen area, here comes the storage space. So this side is the storage space. Now let's move towards the bedroom area. So the 1 bedroom is on this side and 2 bedrooms over this side. So before moving towards the bedroom number 1, here is your Devghar. So you can set your Devghar over here. And from this side you will enter towards your bedroom number 1. So this is your beautiful bedroom number 1. You can check the interior work again in this bedroom. They have provided a bed space over this side. And here comes one window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And opposite to this comes a wardrobe space. And here this side comes your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings, and even the shower glass partition. Now let's move towards the bedroom number 2. But before that, here is your common washroom. So this side comes your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings again. Basically, this is your powder area. And now this comes your bedroom number 2. Once you enter, they have provided a lobby space for your privacy and the attached washroom. Again with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this they have made it as a kid's bedroom. For your reference, you can see the space that they have used it with 2 beds and the study table like this. In front is the wardrobe space. And now again in kid bedroom they have provided a balcony. So here comes again a balcony with anti-skid tiles and iron railing, and this balcony is also 3-side covered. And from here you will enjoy the beautiful and scenic view. Now let's move towards the master bedroom. But before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what all features Housey provides you. So Housey provides you with the actual location tour of each and every project, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. And all these features are under one platform, that is Housey.com. So why are you wasting time? Just register yourself on www.housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now let's move towards the master bedroom. So over this side means walking through your living area, here comes your master bedroom. Just check the space inside the master bedroom. One thing, if you have noticed, that they have provided wooden finishing tiles in all the bedrooms. And just see the space, how spacious this room is. And here comes a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can check that here is the bed space and the ample of space inside the room itself. And now the plus and the best point, that is the walk-in wardrobe. They have provided with the walk-in wardrobe. So here comes the walk-in wardrobe. And with the walk-in wardrobe, this side comes the attached washroom. So let's check the attached washroom. So once you enter, you will check the sink area, the bathtub with shower glass partition with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are at Kokalpalli location in Hyderabad. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And for more details of this project, you can click on the I button. And if you liked our videos, do not forget to like, follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.